Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 21 under Section 3. Now, based on the instruction, we are given a sentence and we are to pick an option that is most appropriate for each sentence. The sentence is: the class captain got cold feet when he was asked to lead the protest. This means that the class captain became A. Nervous, B. Afraid, C. Concerned, D. Calm. Now, basically, what we are looking at is for the interpretation of to get cold feet, or for what it means to get cold feet. Now, to get cold feet is basically an expression that means to be afraid. To be afraid. Another word that can be used, or to be filled with fear, or to be terrified. So to get cold feet means to be afraid or terrified. Now, we see that afraid is option B, so the most appropriate answer is afraid. So the class captain got cold feet when he was asked to lead the protest. This means that the class captain became afraid, which is option B. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.